Welcome to Yorkshireman Models. Today we've got the new mystery box that's from Airfix. It's the 172 scale one, aircraft one, and it's only just recently been released, and I thought I'll pick one up, see what you get and see whether it's worth the 20 something pound that you pay for it. The mystery box itself, I've just run, it's £22.99 for this mystery box, and it is £3.95 for postage. There you go, just under 27 quid. So what you're looking at is you're hoping to get 27 quid for stuff. So got lots of paper anyway. Get rid of this. First kit already showing, it says Mustang. You can see. Oh, that's not very good, is it? Look at the state of that. Something's got crushed. That one, that's a Mustang. We've got the Spitfire Mark 1A, that looks, and again that's got crushed. I don't think this is Airfix. I think this has got crushed by courier. And we've got, and I've never done this, it's a MiG 17F. Right. Oh. Sorry about that. Drop the box. Move that out of the way. So first off, we've got your MiG. Mikoyan Gurovich, or whatever it's spelled. MiG 17F, Fresco, Shenyang, J5. That looks quite nice, doesn't it? The usual two, there we go. So like there's two colour schemes on this one. 172 is, they're all 172 anyway, but yeah, we've got that. You've got the Spitfire. I'll have a look in here in a second at these two to see if there's any damage. So if there is, I'll get in touch with Airfix and just show them like the damage. They'll probably send a new one out, but hopefully they're okay. Got your Spitfire Mark 1A. There's only one colour scheme on that. And on that one, the North American P51 Mustang. This is the most crushed box. It might even have been bent that, so I'm a bit more worried over this one. And again, just one colour scheme. And we'll have a look, see how much all of these kits come to, and whether it's worth buying this as a mystery box, or you'd be better off getting them separately. I always say, though, I will say one thing: everybody's interpretation of a bargain or a value section, whatever it is completely different from another person. So some people, if they've not got any of these kits and they've never done one, this is a bargain. If they've obviously got one, like if you've got that, which is going to be a main kit in this, these two kits, they might not be so happy with just getting them, but I'll check that in a moment. Right, just got the prices now. For the if to get these kits from Airfix, this is the MiG 17 £17.99, the P51's £8.99, and the Spitfire's £8.99. So you're looking at a total of £57.97. This does not include any postage though with this. With the other shops, online stores, you can get the MiG 17 for £14.84 from E-Models. You can get that P51 for £7.64 from House of Hobbies, and you can get the Spitfire for £6.99 from Elite Models online, making that a total of £27.47. There's not a lot of saving. That again, you've got, I should say, you've probably got some delivery costs there. So if you look at that there, to the costs of Airfix, you're only saving a couple of quid, but a couple of pounds better than nothing. But if you've got any of them kits already, you probably just buy it. Better off going to E-Models for that MiG, or whichever one you want there, whichever it is, just go get them from there. You'll save more money, in all honesty. And at the end of the day, that's what it's about, it's saving money. So we'll have a look now that I've shown you prices, and see if these kits are any good, because obviously they've been damaged, as you can see. The boxes are damaged, that's all I'll say in a minute. So let's see if a bit of masking tape there. We can, if they're salvageable, because if they're alright, I'll not sale to Airfix, I'll just keep them. And that one looks okay. Can't see any bent sprue. It's a bit harder to see that side, but it looks okay. Can't see any bent sprue or anything in there at all. Yep, looks fine that. And the rest is, oh, there's a clear part in there, but I'll make sure that I don't be, oh no, clear part's in there, I think. Yeah, it's the clear part. Yep, and that's fine, and I can see it goes by. So that's alright, the P51's fine. Hopefully this doesn't happen to anybody else, but this isn't Airfix's fault. This is the courier, which is Royal Mail. It's probably got accidentally something put on it that shouldn't have been, a bit too heavy. This is a bad one, and all the Spitfire box. Have a look at this one. It seems alright. Again, I think I've got away with this. Well, hopefully I've got the MIG to look at, but I'm looking like I might have got away with this. Yeah, looks fine that. Can't see any crushed bent sprues. They all look nice and straight normal. So I'm happy enough with that. Let's get that back in box. We'll have a quick look at this MiG 17. This is a kit that I'll be really looking forward to do, because I've not done one of these at all. I've done the Mustangs before and I've done Spitfires before, but I've never done a MiG 17 of any brands, so that's why I'll be really looking forward to doing this. And Airfix do some lovely box art pictures. That looks fantastic like that. If you look, even pilots ejecting. Oh. Right, this one. Yeah, we get free sprues on this one, so it's a bit harder to see initially, but yeah, all them free sprues are nice and straight. I can't see any flattened parts. It looks like I've got off okay with that. Yeah, I think I'm lucky actually, very. Just shows you how well these boxes are to protect them. You could see how bad that box was, especially that one here. This one. So overall, I suppose it's not bad. I mean, it's like that. It's 27 quid. You've got free kits. You can't complain too much. But like I say, you've got either of these. Really, you're better off just going and buying the other two from the, unless you want another one from actually. So if you've already got a P51, you want another one. Well, there you go. But just go and get them from like wherever, E-models or House Robbers, wherever. If you ain't got any of these. And remember, these are what you're going to get, because when they do a mystery box, they call it a mystery box, but it's not mystery for everybody. Everybody's is different. This is what you're going to get this time. And if you want these kits, I'd advise buying them from Airfix. I really would, because it's like 27 quid. Yeah, it's not end up worth all. It's not the greatest bargain they've ever done. In fact, it's probably the worst one I've had in the last 3 mystery boxes I've had. This has got to be rubbishest. I wish they'd keep putting at least one starter set gift set in, because it's always nice when you get something like that, because you've got a bit of paints and stuff. But hey, end of the day, they're a mystery. You get what you get. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, do the usual, tick the bell, click the box, whatever. Be grateful, really grateful. And I hope it's gave you a bit of help on whether they're worth buying or not, this mystery box. So catch you around later. Cheers.